Tired of trying to fix plumbing and HVAC problems yourself? What about having to use the pesky phone to call a plumber and then waiting around all day for them to show up? Now, you don't have to. Williams Plumbing and Heating is the company you've been waiting for. At willplum.com, you can schedule appointments. But wait, there's more. Williams Plumbing and Heating always has great service, so you'll never have to end up like this again. Visit willplum.com today for all your plumbing and HVAC needs.